Rising from the desert like the bones of an ancient Leviathan, the pyramids have stood for millennia, their silent silhouettes cutting through the relentless heat, beckoning every traveler to wonder how such colossal stones could be placed with such precision, long before modern machinery reshaped the world. To understand their purpose, one must first travel back to the age of the Old Kingdom, when a pharaoh's divine right was expressed not through words but through monumental architecture, each limestone block a testament to a ruler's desire for immortality and a conduit to the afterlife. The Great Pyramid of Giza, the oldest of the Seven Wonders, was erected over a 29-year span, its core of rough limestone encased in polished Tura limestone that once glittered like a beacon, reflecting the sun's rays across the Nile Valley. Archaeologists have uncovered a sophisticated workforce, not of slaves but of skilled laborers, who lived in nearby temporary villages, receiving rations of barley and fish, evidence that the project was a state-organized enterprise driven by loyalty and religious devotion. The alignment of the pyramids is no accident. The base of the Great Pyramid is oriented within a fraction of a degree to true north, a feat achieved through careful observation of circumpolar stars, suggesting that the builders possessed an astronomical knowledge rivaling that of later civilizations. Inside, narrow passageways lead to the king's chamber, where a massive granite slab rests atop a granite floor, its weight balanced with a precision that has puzzled engineers for generations, prompting theories ranging from simple levers to complex counterweight systems. Beyond Egypt, the concept of pyramid building spread across continents, from the stepped ziggurats of Mesopotamia to the massive earth pyramids of Mesoamerica, each culture adapting the form to its own cosmology, yet all sharing the same reverence for height as a bridge to the divine. In the dense jungles of Guatemala, the towering Temple of the Inscriptions rises, its stairways carved with glyphs that recount the deeds of kings, echoing the Egyptian belief that monumental stone could preserve a ruler's legacy beyond death. Modern technology has peeled back layers of mystery. Ground-penetrating radar reveals hidden chambers within the Great Pyramid, while 3D laser scans map every flaw, suggesting that the ancient architects incorporated hidden voids perhaps for ritual or structural balance. Some scholars argue that these voids were not accidental. They may have housed sacred objects, or served as acoustic chambers that amplified chants, turning stone into a resonant instrument for the rituals that animated the afterlife beliefs of the time. The endurance of the pyramids also speaks to the ingenuity of their construction methods. Limestone blocks, some weighing over 80 tons, were likely moved on sledges lubricated with water, a simple yet effective technique that reduced friction on the desert sands. Today, the pyramids stand as both archaeological treasure and cultural symbol, drawing millions who seek to touch a fragment of eternity, reminding us that humanity's yearning to transcend mortality is etched in stone, as timeless as the desert wind that continues to sculpt their faces. In the quiet moments after the sun sets, the pyramids cast long shadows that merge with the night sky, and for a brief instant, the ancient builder's ambition seems to echo across the ages, a silent dialogue between past and present about the limits of human imagination.